Hi, my name is Gustavo Gonzalez and I am the co-founder of the MaeFloresta startup. MaeFloresta means rainforest mother in Portuguese. Our company is dedicated to develop software to create animated content, focused on children, teenagers, and people interested in to explore digital animation art for the first time. Our main product is called TupiTube. It is a platform composed by desktop software and mobile apps that currently is allowing to users around the world to try their first experience creating animated content. As part of our service portfolio, we also provide introductory training courses about animation for children and teenagers. We are aiming to serve the main scenario where the new generations of digital artists can discover their vocation and to develop their skills, becoming the professional animators of tomorrow. It's worth saying that our mission is not only focused on training for work. Animation, as a making-of experience, is an incredible pedagogic resource that either students and teachers are taking advantage of, and not only from the art class, but from different matters. Our greatest inspiration is the support of our users community that weekly contact us from the 5 continents, asking for new features for TupiTube and sharing their animation projects with us. When I see the children from our courses getting fun creating their own animations, communicating between them through the art using our apps, I truly believe that we are impacting the world with our work. The mission of MaeFloresta and the way TupiTube is spreading everywhere make me feel satisfied. Definitely, I'm a happy entrepreneur.